I'm stood here today at one of our habitat creation sites near Brackley in Northamptonshire. We've partnered with the Great British Bee Project to install beehives on this site, demonstrating HS2's commitment to safeguarding nature. As HS2 and our partners build Britain's new high-speed railway, we are committed to delivering an overall positive legacy for people, places and nature.
The Great British Bee Project was established in 2018 with the sole aim of reversing the decline of the British native bee. So we're rearing new queens which are thoroughbred and raising new colonies to install throughout the UK once more. Bees pollinate by visiting flowers. A single bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers a day, and each one of those flowers will then go on to produce seeds, which will then go on to produce new plants, which will all start again from the bottom of the food chain upwards. So without pollinators, whether that's bees, butterflies, obviously we're focusing on bees, without pollinators, the world will be a very sorry place.
With the railway, because it's a linear structure, but it's allowing us to grow a green corridor following that. So nature can move from north to south and up and down the corridor, and it's fantastic because it allows nature to grow and spread.
So we're back here on site today, and we've got some special visitors. We've got a group of local school children coming to learn about hives, do a lot of fun activities, and learn about natural environment in their local area.
It's just that inspiring the future, and we've got a couple of children here that are really interested in bees and ecology, and it's just giving them the opportunity to see it in action and not just to see it on a screen and those sorts of things. It's just a really lovely opportunity, particularly with it being so local to our school.
We teach them all about bees, how they pollinate, how they produce honey, and it's brilliant because you can see the little faces light up when you're telling them about plants and you're showing them bees. They're planting wildflowers, and I think it's just a fantastic thing where we're getting that younger generation in and we're teaching them and showing them, this is your area, this is your community, this is your wildlife, and to look after it.
If the bees went extinct, then we wouldn't have honey, we wouldn't have so much flowers. So that's why I think they should live forever.